Accessing the desktop on a Mac is a straightforward process that can significantly streamline your workflow. Whether you're engulfed in a multitude of open applications or want quick access to your files, knowing how to swiftly reveal the desktop is essential. The easiest way to view the desktop is by using the Mission Control feature. Press the Command plus F3 or Fn plus F11 to activate Mission Control. Then, click anywhere on the desktop thumbnail displayed at the top of the screen. But is there a way to show desktop icon in Dock as in Windows? Yes, this video will guide you to create an icon on Dock to show desktop by one click, so let's get started. Press Command plus Space to open Spotlight Search. Then type Automator in it and press Return. Click Cancel button. Click File on the top menu. Select New to create a new Automator app. Click Application in the Choose a Type for your document window, then click Choose button. Click Library on the left side menu. Scroll down, find Run Shell Script, then double-click it. Select CSH as the shell scripts. Delete the default text cat in the text box. Paste in this code, you can find it in video description. Press Command plus S to save the application with name desktop and file format application to Applications folder. Click Launchpad on the dock. Find the desktop app just created. Drag it to Dock. Now, just click the icon in your dock to show the desktop. Thanks for watching. See you next time.